Hello.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Sure.
So there is one level that I'm waiting for. If you look time frame here, uh, we have fresh orders inside of this little level. Maybe in tick chart, tick, you will see much more. Okay, but until then, let's look in higher time frame. Why is that thing so important? You see,
Yeah.
this one in this place, it's aligned almost perfectly with these highs. If you look there with these highs,
Mm-hmm.
with this, it have a lot of history. I mean, not really a lot, but have nice history for lower time frame trading.
Yeah.
So I think from this place, and you see already the trick is happening in there,
Yes.
because you see they see a really nice engulf in this place, and they want to trade here. So but you see this flag limit
Mm-hmm.
is already break down, so the next place is maybe here to wait for some reaction.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly.
But
Be compression
here
down.
I checked in lower time frame right there, and we have no fresh orders. So this is our place. If you see, this is our it aligns perfectly with this.
Mm-hmm.
So if you look here at this king, there are not fresh orders inside, only compressed zone. But in this place, you see, this is the last place. You see, you have fresh orders.
Okay.
So I think this is very important.
Okay.
So just waiting for this place to be hit, and I will see the reaction, stop, and this take profit is just for this. Maybe the take profit would be this ignored Quasimodo, or maybe
Mm-hmm. Well, it makes sense to come
maybe
and make fake PA above.
I don't understand you.
It makes sense where you
Uh,
had it before to make something which looks like PA but isn't PA.
but this is a PA, but for retailer. Am
Yeah.
I right? This one.
Yeah, indeed. No, I'm saying where you had your target originally, it looks like if it hits there, it will be good PA up, but it isn't.
Yes, and if you look inside this place, this is important for short,
Mm-hmm.
because look at this place. Maybe this is much more important, but in lower scale, let's look in lower scale. You have here in M5, I think this is important because there was a flag limit. So these lines are important.
Mm-hmm.
So this is important, and this is the last place where price can bounce from. And inside of this, I think we already have fresh orders. I'm not sure exactly, but at this pre-compression zone, if you look in lower time frame, maybe there is a nice BS zone for this place. and this align perfectly with this place. So maybe we can wait for a flag completion from there down to there, but this is also a target. But we can wait for a flag completion. I mean, from there down to there, maybe, if it has been. So this is it.
Good.
If anyone want to present.
Good, good. I hope that goes well for you.
I hope so.
Yay. Well, my brain is no good, so I can't say one way or the other. Alrighty, who's up next then?
Can be if you want.
Cool.
Just a minute, sorry.
Uh-huh. Ooh.
Okay, do you have my screen?
Oh, I'm muted, yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay, nice stops.
Here I have gold here, and let me check it. Here we have, if you look at a higher scale, we have a flag limit that held price up, and after that here it's in gold, another flag limit created, and it's created after engulf of this flag limit also. So we have a swap flag limit zone here, and if we look at higher scale, lower scale, we can see that price here created a nice supply, and now we have this confirmation that retailer can see the downtrend, and can be a nice place to fake above to this zone. This is, if we look to the 1 minute time frame, this is the upper extreme edge of our flag limit after engulf of prior opposite flag limit. And we have a distinct pulse here. And also, I have this set of order that I think is fresh because we have a flag limit here that held price down and it's engulfed and created another flag limit here with this king, and again it's engulfed another flag limit created that held price down, and this spike can be a really nice effort to get those setup orders in that very MPL, if you can see it.
Sure.
This MPL is taken out, and we have also this level left shoulder that taken out by this spike. We have again, so that I think we have order in this level, and it can shake out retailers because the orders in this compression also taken out by this spike that created supply for us. And so that my target will be here for long, and I want to trade it here. Here we have a flag limit that held price up is created after engulf of this flag limit. There is a little king 1 minute time frame in this full body candle, and it's held price up, and another king flag limit created. We have to stack flag limit here that upper One, if you look at it, is two extreme edges. We can see that. Here is the lower edge, that there is a little kink in this upper edge of the lower flag limit and the upper edge of the higher flag limit in pass. And you have a kink here.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. That's the last time that... No, stop. That's the last time price was there, is it?
Here.
Yes, that's directly left, is it, from us?
Yes, we have this one that filled this set of orders, and we have again this spike, but it couldn't taken out this MPL.
So are you just from the picture that you had there? Price came down twice to pick up those orders. Where exactly is that again? Is that the nearest left or is that the furthest left? It's just on the picture you were showing a minute ago.
In the left here.
Whatever picture we saw a minute ago. It was as price was
1 minute
going.
time frame, you mean? Yes.
Maybe. That's where I said hold it. Now there. On the right hand side of the low, that has been picked up twice very well. Let me see, have I got any control? Here. It's been picked up here and it's been picked up here twice already. And if that is directly left of us, then that level is quite weak, where you have your orders. Now, I see you have your orders just there beneath. You know, I think it might have lost a little bit of strength with these two coming down. But I'm too tired to tell. Maybe, just maybe. Okay. But did price further right not come down and pick those out anyway? Or am I thinking wrongly again?
This set of orders in this MPO.
I see. Price did come down.
Here.
Okay.
Yes. And here we have, because I wrote these two flag limits, because we have a stacked flag limit in past in the left of our chart. And here we have the future here. I'm waiting for this level because of this. What's happening here is really important for me. Here we have an engulf. Here we have an engulf of this. Sorry. We have an engulf here. We have a flag limit that held price up in this 1 minute time frame, and after that, this candle, full body candle, could be another flag limit with this compression. It's engulfed, but it didn't taken out this very QM level in its top and make another FO below. So that I think something happened in this level, and this level is really important for us. And we can wait for a Quasimodo to be played here, or maybe a diamond in this very MPO here, but I prefer this one because the upper flag limit in past and in left of our chart is more important for me. And also, I think we have PA to going long because price entered to this compression, and that was a flag limit that held price down. And also, it didn't taken out this QM level when it is a flag limit held price up.
Okay.
Another one created held price down, and it didn't taken out this QM level.
Okay. Now the high that you have on the furthest right, where does that line up?
This one?
No, the next high to the right, or the highest high to the right of that.
This is high.
Over. Oh. The high over. Damn it. Yeah, the green line. Yes. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, that didn't break into anything there, so I don't see that we have PA up. Now, I do see the lovely left shoulder. I do see the orders that are being waited for there. But what we have, oh shoot, hold on. What we have is, go here. See, I'm always really cautious about double lows and double highs, and I just always expect them to break. No, that's not it. How the hell do I find this thing? I need to look at the lows down here. Could you show me the lows down here at the bottom?
Yes, yes.
There we go, okay. So down here we have double lows, and I always expect double lows to break. That's why I'm afraid of this over here. We do have double lows, don't we? We do. So with those, no, over here. These two lows. Yes, that makes more sense. Where you see two lows lined up like this, I would always wait for those to break before I would enter, because that looks like strong support, and that is usually there for a reason. Now, we do have another flag limit to the left over here, and this seems to be the kink of it. Why wouldn't you wait in there for the stops below this double low to be taken out? Now, this is me just asking. It's not me advising or anything, because I am sleepy.
Because I think that with this reason that we have in past, we have a flag limit that held price down, and here it's engulfed and created another one. I have this reason, just because of this reason.
Okay.
And also we have a kink in this candle. If you look at it, it's held price up and held price down. Says R. Really nice price down, and we have another one. That's why I.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, the money management on it is good, so okay.
Thank you.
Alrighty. And before I forget, on any other, on any of the end of last week's calls that you made, did any of them happen? Have you got a follow up on those to see what happened with what you were saying? Okay, when this has played out, when price gets there, I want in your next presentation afterwards, I want you to say, okay, here was the call that I made last Monday, and here is what happened. Do you have one from last week where you had said, here is a place I'm looking for?
From last week, no, I don't have.
Okay.
Because that USD franc I'm waiting for, that USD franc, and I didn't close it yet.
Okay, that'll do nicely. So
I'm waiting for this level maybe to have another trade here. If we have to do that, I will do this from this week, and I will give you the result of prior week also.
Yeah, because it's important to follow up on what we've been doing. Excellent. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
All righty. Have you any more, or will we go to David?
Thank you, Wes.
Yay. Price didn't hit the GJ. Okay. All righty. Good. Dahi, are you around?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's see what you got.
Can you see my screen?
Sure.
Okay, this morning I've been looking at things this morning. One was on EG, which yeah, got a couple of 2 seconds. Okay, I took this one this morning. What am I thinking on this? Yeah. There was an engulf here, which then I had a price being held down, oh sorry, price being held up there, and it came over to this side. Basically, we were holding price down here. So I was looking for a price somewhere in here. And what I looked at was yep. Taking us across here, I've got a kink within there, and looking at the orders, we had a PCP here, which was lining up very well with the candle that was holding the price up. So therefore, there was a very good possibility of a retrace round about here.
Mm-hmm.
So sold on at the PCP level. She actually came slightly higher than that, up to the top of the compression, and then it went down.
Right. Very good. Very good.
It's been continuing down. My level for taking profit on this.
Oh, you just took this 2 minutes ago.
I took some early profit to make sure that I was going to be in profit.
Oh, that's hourly, not minutes. Okay, sorry.
Yep. And looking at my targets, we have an engulf here.
Mm-hmm.
We have price which is being held up there. Price is being held down there. Being held down, being held down. So basically my first target is here.
And that lines
After
up with
that,
the left shoulder that we've got to the furthest of the chart, presumably. No, the one you were just pointing at. Now I've lost it. There.
I was basically looking for, on this one, just looking for a conservative target.
Mm-hmm.
That being my first for the price being held up. Because
Right.
that's really where it's engulfed. After that, if I come further down,
Now you've got to break it.
Further down
I
here.
see. No, you see, you've got your compression going on over here.
Yep.
I like that. I like those levels. I like those. A good start. Okay, so you.
That was my starting point.
Mm-hmm.
That was my starting point for looking at all of where the price held up, held down. So I started off here and it was engulfed, and then I took that as my starting point. So I'm just a little bit more conservative than it.
Gotcha. And can we break the low that we have over here without making any PA? We can, I think, yes, because our first engulf is above this red line here. So we could come down deep into here without making any PA on a break of this, I think. And that may well, forgive me for putting in permanent lines, you can dump them later as you like. Oh, actually, that's very deep over there. Sorry. That's been done. So I don't know what else we have except maybe this little one here. Boo, 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 boo. H4. Okay.
It all looks as though it's been taken in
It
there.
does. It does. So it might be ready to just blow.
So if you look further down, there's actually a double bottom as well.
Yeah.
So there's a possibility it could actually break this level.
Yeah. And if there are no orders inside here, then it looks kind of ready to go. Is there any reason to stop over here?
Haven't been down that far yet.
It might be worth looking that far if there's nothing in the way.
Okay.
Really might.
So I had a look at that. So that's my plan on this. I've still to do some further work on it.
Now, in future, be brave enough to tell us in the room that you're going to take this trade or you're thinking of taking this trade.
Okay.
Lovely.
The other one that I was looking at this morning was CAD Japan.
Oh, yeah.
There's a hold on. 2 seconds.
I'm yawning again. Idiot.
Yeah, on the CAD Japan, looking there, there's a kink here which is holding price down. So that one kind of stopped me from going for the level just at this position here.
Yeah, it's very
But
early.
in saying that, if you go in deep, hold on, I sometimes don't have them all on the same chart. But I've got something set up. No, it's not that one. I've got yeah, there it's there. It's just at the very top here.
Alrighty. Now, hold on. Where you've got those things, it looks a bit like it was made bearish. Now, maybe we will go for another lower low on this scale before we come and break them up. Maybe it's, yeah, okay, why can't we come and make a lower low? Do we have, let's say on the daily scale, do we have a nice downtrend since the last high that we've got? We've got a high, we've got a lower low, we've got a lower high, we've got a lower low. Okay, it was made kind of bearish there. But if we were to make another lower low on this, I see no reason why we can't come down to this level here where we broke into this compression, come down into either the tip of it, yes. Why not make a fake support here, break that fake support, and just take it these few pips into this guy, and then come up and break the high. So, okay, we can do that. We really can do that. Or we can break it straight away because they have, what have they done? We've got the high, we've got the second high, we've got the trend down, we've got the opportunity to get in, and then we have the proof that everything is good, and then we have opportunity to get in again. Now we have a little bit of stress higher than here. Maybe they've filled their books on this. They might have filled their books on this and be ready to go up. But there is always the possibility that they're going for something much larger, and they're going to come down to that next level to take out all the
The
stops.
reason why I was considering my short here was because if you go into the lower level,
Yeah, show us the orders.
there are some orders still in here.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. And we've got BS beneath it, so okay.
Yeah. This level here, it's
Yeah.
not been touched.
Alrighty, I'd wait for that to break and get in higher.
The top was quite tight on this one and also quite small because there is a chance that it could just be.
Oh, you want to get in at those lower ones? Okay, right. That's a possibility too.
So that's what I've been looking at this morning.
All right. Play that one close because where your orders are just beneath a double top. So that double top will want to break and refill through again. So be cautious with it. But yeah, the orders are there, it seems. Okay, good.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you would want to fill perhaps this range here, is it? You'd want to come down to here with it.
I think at the moment I've got my target point is here just as a very
Okay.
off it, and then let the half time probably down to about there. See everything.
Right. Well, let's just check these. We've got these guys anyway. They are maybe in this kink. Okay. Then we've got this guy here, which is... Oh, he is ready to break this guy. So, okay, that's lovely. There's no reason whatsoever not to come and break this guy down to this BS level over here. Yes, tons of stops there. Absolutely tons of stops. And then, of course, there's this as well on your first, probably H1 or M30 in Gulf or something like that. So, yeah, this is all ready to be filled. So, yeah, okay. I'd be cautious at the beginning because where you're looking at getting in isn't the very, very best place to be getting in. I'd be going a little bit higher than that to get in. But you do have this range to fill. So take some profit on it early enough and then see if the rest can fill the range.
Okay.
Now remember everybody, I'm stupid today, so jump in if I'm making a fool of myself and you can correct me anytime you like. Righty, good. Now what I would like you to do is mark where you would like to take the trade, where the trade has failed on it, where your stop loss would be on it, and where your profit is on it, just so that you can come back to it later. And if you haven't taken the trade, at least you have a record of where you wanted to take the trade so that you can assess it later.
Okay.
Lovely.
Will do.
Alrighty then. I think it's Omid. Unless you've got something else for us, David.
No, I don't. That's all I've been looking at.
All right. And when you do make a call for a trade that's coming up that you're thinking of looking at, like that one that you were showing, listen to people when they give you advice either way, whether it's good advice or bad advice, but don't just take their advice because they've given it. Work it out for yourself and trust yourself more than anybody else always.
Can I start?
Yes.
This was a trade about last week. Price yet didn't reach it. And I want to add another one, the same where almost want to buy it at here, at this flagging.
Okay.
Here we have a flagging, and I think almost investigated, and I don't investigate it again. But I think about the target, I will get my first target here
Sure.
to have no loss, my first target.
Hmm.
And I think I wait for my second target exactly here and to sold here too.
Yeah,
To
that makes
sold here
sense.
too.
Yeah, that does make sense.
Um, and about the gold, I have two entry points. Let's investigate my sell limit first. Here we have a very strong weekly level.
Mm-hmm.
Here it is, and this is the king on it that hold the price up, and it is the opposite flag limit that hold the price down. And here we have a compression, as Sullivan investigated too. But I'm looking another place. Here we have this important low here that was the start of the strong move up, and I think this level can be important too. And there is another here at this flag limit, upper edge of the flag limit, that they are exactly above this flag limit here.
Yep.
Here was our flag limit and the previous levels are above it. And I think there is the opportunity to fake above this flag limit
Sure.
to this place and then price maybe drop.
Sure.
So, I'm not sure to look for a short here.
Inside, no. Above, yes. But maybe a little bit higher, though. Bear with me one moment. I want to look at that compression that we have on the left-hand side. Maybe I have to zoom out to see it. Okay, we broke into the compression. Now, you probably have this marked already. You broke into the compression somewhere here. I'd love to get exactly the low on that and then find the kink in here. But you found the kink in here, and you're trading inside the kink from breaking into this compression, are you?
Yes, I'm exactly looking on the kink on that level.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, well, then we'll go back to the H1 over there and zoom in again. So the kink is inside this candle someplace.
I have the tick chart here, but I can't see really any kink. Let me show you.
Oh, okay.
Here is the tick chart. Here is the upper edge of the lower flag limit, the green line, and it is previous level that we talk about.
Gotcha.
So maybe we can fake here, somewhere like here.
So your stop loss is above the candle that crossed it. I don't want controls.
Here my limit isn't very accurate, and I have to work on it again.
Just make sure that your stop anyway is above the candle that crossed the line, and then you're good.
Sure, thank you.
Okay, yeah. Make another high there.
So I'm not looking for any short here. Yes.
Yeah, I would wait for that to break. Certainly.
I'm looking into. Yes. And here I'm looking for a buy exactly to that place, and my level is a little lower than Sullivan's level. The reason for it was here was our compression, and this is the tip of the compression, and this.
Yeah, that makes most sense to me.
Break up the compression, and we have here some fresh orders. Yes, and let's go to here is a Quasimodo level, and here price didn't touch it, and I think it would be a good level to fake above this.
Yeah, and compression
maybe it would
low,
be a good level.
Good, good, good.
And my stop is exactly below this.
Yes. Now you might miss it altogether because price could just come and take the stop losses. It might just take the stop losses from below these lows over here. It may just take them at this level here. But if it does come down through, you've got a really good place. And that didn't pick up the pocket of orders, no?
No, I don't think.
Okay, just be absolutely sure if you wouldn't mind. Boop, 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 boop. You know,
you mean in future? Where?
No, I just want to be sure that this didn't pick up that kink. Now we have a gap there as well. Is that a Sunday gap? If that's a Sunday gap, then we don't know what happened over the weekend. Price is very close, so if it's a gap, it's a very small gap. This day is, let's just make it bigger. Alrighty. Come on, tell me what day you are. Come on. Could you find out, oh, it's 4th of January, 5th of January. Maybe it's a 10 p.m. thing. Could you find out the time on the open of that and the time on the close of the one to the left of it? Because I can't.
This one?
Yes. So it is 23:54 and... Now maybe that's 5 past the next hour. Is that's not showing up for me? Is it showing for you? Okay,
What
try.
do you mean exactly?
I mean, yeah, the next candle. I want to find the opening or the closing of one and then the opening of the next one. That one. Okay, so Fibbo closes down for 5 minutes at the end of New York. Is that right? Fibbo Group. Because a lot can happen in those 5 minutes.
I don't know exactly.
All right. Well, do you watch this as New York closes and you see that you get no feed for 5 minutes? Because with my with my LMAX, they close down for 5 minutes every day at the end of New York, and I never get the PA from those 5 minutes, so it always stresses me out. It looks like this is the same. This was closed for 5 minutes up. Maybe for you the end of New York is midnight. Yes, it is. So that's at the end of New York and they've closed down, so you've lost the feed there for 5 minutes. So it might have come down and hit those orders, or it might not have come and hit those orders. I don't know. You'd be better off checking that with a feed that doesn't close at the end of New York, just to make sure you have the PA, or you haven't got the PA that you don't want. You understand? Okay, I'll ask somebody else. Nobody's got the microphone on. David, would you mind please checking your goals on the end of the 4th of January on a feed which doesn't close down at the end of New York?
Give me a minute.
Uh-huh. You guys do understand what I mean about this, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ah, good. Because I always hate it when I've opened a trade just before New York close, and then I have to wait for 5 minutes to see what the hell has happened, and I run off to another broker or another feed to watch what's happening, and there's nothing at all I can do on my own feed to manage the trade.
So what date was that?
The 4th of January. You're looking at around 11:62. And it is important to understand or to find out if we had or what happened in a gap. It's always important to find out what's happening in the gap, especially if we want to trade around where there's a gap.
I don't have any gap.
Okay,
And
let me see your chart. Bum, 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 bum. Alrighty. Close of business. Is this it? Come over. Is this it? No, that can't be it. Where is it that we're looking again? I don't know. I'm stuck. Okay. Omid, you know where it is. Where is it? Omid?
I think it was the 4th of January. It is the same. Can I see my chart again? Let's see.
Yeah, you just check it, because I don't know where to look here.
Around 1162.
1162. Okay.
1000.
Just give us a line, yeah.
Yes. 26.
1162. Okay. So it's on this side over here. Okay, so you've never picked it up.
Yes.
Good. Let's just go to the M1 there if we can, just to be certain of this. Boo boo. Boo 1 over here. Has this gone wrong? 3rd of January. How did you get to the 3rd of January, you muppet? Okay, we've got a long way to go. It's this level, is it?
yeah, I think so.
Okay, and price didn't come anywhere close, so okay, we're good. That looks like different PA than Omid had at the time, but okay. Or is it in here? Boo, boo, boo. Okay, anyway, on a continuous feed, it didn't come down to there, so yeah, we're looking good for Omid's level. So okay, we can go back to Omid again. Thank you, David. Make presenter. Boo, boo, boo.
Okay, and I think I'm done. And the trade on USD CAD from the previous week, here it was. I close it here.
Oh, excellent. Absolutely excellent. That's beautiful. Yay. Big success.
I'm done.
And how quickly it got there as well. Isn't that just lovely? Well done. Very well done. That's lovely. Alrighty. Well done, everybody. More again tomorrow. But during the day, when you see something coming up, be sure and discuss it amongst yourselves, because that's what we're here for. We're here to share our setups, etc. So do it. Anytime you're thinking of taking a trade, just share it with everybody else, and we can go through it. Perfect. Excellent. Alrighty, I'm going to go make another coffee. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you too. Thank you all.
Yay. See you later,
Thank you,
people.
bye.
Have some sleep.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go and earn some sleep first anyway. Tons of gardening to be done again, so I'll go do that and then take a nap later on. Thanks so much. See you all later. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Mhm.